Middle School staff that is present this evening. We have Mrs. Koswick, our assistant principal. Mrs. Goodwill. Reception. Before we start our presentation of awards this evening, I'd like to say a few words to our students and families. Last year was a very challenging year for everyone, and our students were certainly impacted by the pandemic significantly. Zooming, quarantines, and uncertainties became the norm, yet our students met every challenge and made significant achievements. This year has started off to be a challenge, and I'm very sorry that there are a lot of 8th graders who are being recognized tonight that are currently under quarantine. Tonight we're here to celebrate the academic accomplishments of our top 8th graders from the 2021 school year. The students that we're honoring at this event this evening earned anywhere between a 3.0 and a 4.0 cumulative grade point average. Kids, what I said today was a cumulative grade point average is a little bit different than just a grade point average for the 9 weeks. Cumulative means throughout the whole school year. So that's what we're looking at tonight. Last year, we had 156 7th graders. That was you. And over 108 of them earned the honors that we'll be presenting tonight. That was well over 70% of the current 8th grade class that earned some sort of honor. The whole Field Middle School staff and I are very, very proud of you. So tonight, this reception is all about you and your accomplishments. The reason that we're here is because of your academic achievement. As I stated earlier, every student here earned between a 3.0 and a 4.0 grade point average last year. If you think about it, that is an awesome accomplishment given all of our challenges last year. So the whole staff is proud of your success, and we wanted to have this opportunity to recognize you, our very best students. We know that you consistently put forth a tremendous amount of effort to earn your admirable grade point average, and we appreciate the hard work that you did to make your academic goals become the reality that we celebrate tonight. Parents, I would also like to thank you for the support that you provided. Education truly is a partnership between home and school, and your students' achievements are evidence of the strong assistance that you have provided in helping your child reach our common goal. Our teachers will be presenting students with their awards this evening as I read their names. During the presentation of awards, I would like you to please hold your applause until a whole group of students have received their awards so that all students' names can be heard. I'll begin with merit roll. Students, when I read your name, I would like for you to stand up, head out this way from the chairs like we practiced today, up the steps, pass by all of the teachers, receive your award, and stop and see Mrs. Koswick at the end. Our merit roll honor goes to students who earned a 3.0 and a 3.39, between 3.0 and 3.39 cumulative grade point average, and those students will be receiving a pin this evening that says merit on it. Please come forward as your names are read. Chance Bayless. Nicholas Coltrana, Brendan Dangler, Trevor Dixon, Parker Gallimore, Sean Gill, Ethan Gobin, Corey Golden, Cadence Holsapple, Destiny Horton, Benna Kearns, Ruby Kester, Paige Kreinicki, Daniel Manista, David Maxwell, Jacob McGowan, Raina Miller, Addison Papelone, Aiden Harry, Kaylin Prater-Smets, Brock Sclementi, Kane Smirk, Chloe Stacks, Colton Stickle, Celine Sago, Grant Westerfield, Kelsey Wood, let's all give a big round of applause. The next award that we'll be distributing this evening are the ribbon drapes to recognize our honor roll recipients. These students earned between a 3.4 and a 3.59 cumulative grade point average last year. Please stand and come forward as I read your names, students. Autumn Atha, Audrey Bailey, Brady Barton, Tegan Clay, McKenna Herbert, Haley Hirschberger, Khalil Holmes, Kashmir McClendon, Jack Meadows, Violet Reese, Elizabeth Rock, Ethan Schur, Ella Straub, Owen Weiner, Mary Wyslutsky. Let's all give a nice round of applause. The next students that we'll recognize tonight are our Falcon Scholars. The Falcon Scholar earned anywhere between a 3.6 and a 3.99 cumulative grade point average. Our Falcon Scholars will be receiving a ribbon and a medal this evening. And I want to tell you students a little bit about this medal. It has the lamp of learning on it. And the lamp of learning has an eternal flame of knowledge coming out of it. The symbolism of this lamp of learning comes from ancient Greece. It is thought that Diogenes, a Greek philosopher, carried a lamp with him around with him during the daytime, searching for what he said was an honest man. Over the years, the honest man came to represent the search for truth and knowledge. The Field Middle School staff wishes our students continued success in their search for knowledge. Please come forward, Falcon Scholars, as I read your names. Madeline Adams. Morgan Barber. Kaylin Bennett. James Ballard. Mitchell Carpenter. Brian Dowdy. Joseph Dilworth. Kaylee Doherty. Lily Early. Aiden Graham. Daniel Hudson. Spencer Hunt. Jaden Huskins. Michaela Jursak. Brian Kyle. Phoebe Koch. Kaden Colasar. Maya Kramer. Kaylee Kren. Lily Krieger. Skylar Locke. Cedric Martin. Molly Matthews. Evan Kuczynski. Dominic Rose. Ellison Schonauer. Hayden Schrader. Carter Shuddy. Cole Seidler. Temperance Smith. Morgan Stoikoy. Tatiana Vickery. Jaden Walker. Alexis Whitaker. Courtney Williams. Let's all give a big round of applause. Okay, our last honor this evening is going to be the principals list. The recipients of the Principals List Award will receive a trophy that says Field Middle School Principals List 2021. And these are the students who earned a perfect 4.0 cumulative grade point average all last school year, throughout the entire year. We have quite a few recipients for tonight. Please come forward as I read your names. Mitchell Adams. Cohen Allen. Courtney Austin. Lydia Banks. Addison Berthold. Ashley Carr. Samuel Confer. Joseph Conroy. Adriana Cunningham. Bryson Doggintis. Blake Dunderman. Chloe Eby. Kyle Ianloff. Carly Eldrer. Allison Hinkle. Andrew Hudson. Madison Hull-Statsworth. Kaylee Krepp. Addison Lay. Luke Lonsworth. Holly Luce. Nima McAmis. Michaela Norman. Gavin Phillips. Mason Brusha. Wyatt Ray. Sophia Roberts. Kaylee Shepard. Reagan Slusser. Aiden Triplett. Avery Weiss. Let's all give a big round of applause. Before I close our presentation of awards this evening, I'd like to thank our students and families again for making this honors reception possible. And I'd also like to thank our Board of Education and our Superintendent, Mr. Hefflinger, for their ongoing support, parents and families for their guidance and assistance through these middle school years, our teachers who are present this evening to share in this celebration, and our entire Field Middle School staff who are taking care of all of the details to make this event possible. Let's all give a round of applause. So again, we'd like to congratulate our students. You, our top 8th graders, are already making your mark on the world, and the whole Field Middle School staff and I are looking forward to hearing about your future accomplishments. So that concludes our program this evening. Families, I really appreciate you coming this evening. If we can have your kids for just a couple more minutes. Kids, I'd like to have you stay seated so we can get some photographs, and then we'll release the kids when we're done. Thanks again for coming, everybody.
Big smile.